Good evening and welcome to the channel. I have been on a mission and working in the kitchen. I've been working on my canning series and I have some tomato skins. I've decided to go ahead and dehydrate these tomato skins. I'm going to dehydrate them in the instant vortex oven because my Presto Dehydrator is about ready to get turned on to dehydrate some Malabar spinach. So if you'd like to see what I do with these dehydrated tomato skins, stay tuned. This will be my first time dehydrating tomato anything, and I placed the tomato skins inside of this bag as I was working on the tomatoes. So I am just going to place them on these trays, and I'm not quite sure how it's going to work out. I'm just going to dump them on here and hopefully they will dehydrate for me and won't take forever. I was thinking about just laying them out like that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put them on here and see how it turns out in the morning. So let me do that and I'll be right back. All right, I placed some parchment paper on my racks because I wasn't sure if this was going to stick, and I placed my tomato skins in the vortex oven. So I am going to close it, hit the dehydration button. It is going to dehydrate at 105 degrees and I'm going to dehydrate it for 8 hours. So in the morning I'm going to look at this and see what this looks like. I may have to turn this on. I've never dehydrated tomato skins before, but we'll see how this turns out. So I'll see you in the morning. It's the next day and the dehydrator function has stopped. So I'm going to take the tomatoes out of the vortex oven, place them in my dry canister for my mixer. I almost forgot what I was putting this in. My dry canister for my mixer. I'm just going to place these tomatoes in here. As you can see, they are very dry. Can you hear that? I have the other dehydrator going, so you may not be able to hear that too well. But I'm going to place them in here. I'm going to throw away the parchment paper. There we go. I'll clean this out later. So let's go over to the mixer and blend these down. So now we just take our dry canister full of tomatoes, tomato skins, place them on the mixer and blend them down. Now this is blended down to a fine tomato powder. Can you all see that? I'm going to find a container and put this in. And that you can use to season anything you want to use it with. You can put it in soups, stews, meatloaf. Sky's the limit. You can make tomato paste out of this. Sky is the limit. So that is my tomato powder. So let me get a container and jar that up. Okay, I got a little wide mouth jar that my sister gave me. So I'm going to take my tomato powder and place it in my wide mouth jar. Can you guys see? Let me move you down a little bit so you can see a better vantage point. So I'm just going to take it and pour the tomato powder in here, hopefully not spilling it all over the counter and actually getting it in here. To get that out, and that's it. That is my, got a little on the counter, but that's okay. That is my tomato powder, and it smells amazing. It smells just like fresh tomatoes. And I will use this for when I need tomato paste. I rarely ever use tomato paste, but there is always that onesie twosie recipe that's requiring tomato paste, and I never have any. So this is what this is going to be for. So I want to thank you for joining me in the kitchen. I appreciate everyone who watches my videos and visits my channel, leaves a comment, likes the videos, and shares the videos. And I hope to see you again in the kitchen or in the garden real soon. Bye for now.